Oh my god! Big bird! So I'm diving here at the Edenval quarry. I've already seen a few good sized bass, lots of big carp. There's a few bass swimming around me in the water, checking me out. The structure is amazing. Yeah, it's lots of fun. Something I'm going to be doing a lot more of, so keep an eye out for that. Amazing, 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 amazing. This is so much fun. Lightning hit that tree over there. I saw it hit that tree. That's crazy. It literally hit that tree right in front of me without when the camera was off. Crazy, eh? Sure, guys. Yeah. Anyways, that little bit of snorkeling diving that I did now was more of a scout. I wasn't really looking for anything or anything crazy, but saw some big bass, some big carp, and lots of cool structure. So yeah, that quarry has got some potential. So and it's super clear water. I think with the clouds coming in, it just made the visibility not as great as it was the other day. But wow, what a day. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. If you like that type of content, if you want to see me dive a bit more at different clear dams like Homestead and wherever, just tell me in the comments and we'll make it happen. I had a lot of fun. I was in the water for maybe an hour and a half, so it wasn't long. So if I have to go again, I'll probably go for a much longer period and hopefully find some more stuff. Anyways, keep well, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.